guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. I'm really excited today. Ignore my hair, it looks a mess. I'm literally about to leave the house. My baby sister is coming today, so I'm about to head out to the airport to go pick her up. My hair has been in thread for like almost a week now, so I just took it off. I wanted to use it to like stretch my hair. I'll probably put it into flat twist when I get to the car, but yeah, let's head over to the airport.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you.
Hi sister! Hi sissy, I missed you! Yes I did, I haven't seen you so long! My sister's finally here. It's not focusing on me. It's focusing. I was excited to see you! I haven't seen you in months! Look where we slept last night. AB, say hi. Like we legit brought the bed here and we decided to have like a little sleepover and we're watching movies. I think Spectroness started to act up and that's when we like stopped watching movies and we just slept off. Did you enjoy your sleep here? Are you sure? You were the first to wake up, right? Yes. Yeah, you even woke up before me. But yeah, I just woke up and look at how mess. I just want to quickly unbox some of the things I got. I bought something from Off Max Homes. They sell really nice like kitchen and home items. I've been wanting actual mason jars for a very long time. It's not in my nature to drink juice in the morning, by the way. I don't feel good. My mouth is kind of bitter, so I got these glass straws and it has like a straw cleaner as well, which I really like. I want to start drinking more smoothies, so I felt like this would be really cute. You have to make everything an experience, so like I want my smoothie experience to feel like I bought a smoothie from like a really nice restaurant or something. So yeah, I got some glass straws. I love how well they wrapped the mason jars. Oh my god. They actually took their time and they put it like in a lot of bubble wrap and they also taped it so it did not break. My sister brought this from Lagos, by the way, because they're brand based in Lagos, so I ordered it to her so that I would cut down shipping. You guys already know my story with shipping by now. I'll do anything to not pay for shipping, honestly. Sometimes I wish I could just buy things and they will just fly to me. Like I'll just call them, come here. They'll start flying. And they'll come meet me. Oh my god. So this is what it looks like. These are ball mason jars and I feel like they're the best type of mason jars. I love how Nabella, I don't know if you guys watch Nabella, but I love how she always has mason jars in her kitchen and she just pulls it and has a drink or water or anything every day. I wanted the 750 ml because it's a lot like taller and I drink a lot of liquid, so I felt like that would be better, but they didn't have them in stock anymore, so I just bought this one. It's 500 ml, but it's not bad at all. I got 3, the last one is still here. And I'm already using one to drink juice. This is actually from a brand I'm supposed to be working with. I haven't opened it yet, so let me just unbox with you guys. Oh, the packaging is so cute. It's pink. You guys, the packaging is so freaking cute. I wasn't expecting this. It's from Mo. I think it's Mosokbe or Moshokbe. I think that's how that said. Yeah, the Yoruba girl. Okay, so it's Moshokbe or Moshokbe Organics. Mo Organics. I'm working with them, so they sent me a box of stuff. Let me see if I can open it. Packaging is everything, you guys. Let me just tell you now. You can be selling rubbish, but just make the packaging nice. I didn't give you that advice. Alright. They put in bubble wrap as well. Ooh, I already see a vitamin C serum. I've been meaning to try vitamin C because I heard it's really good for your face. You know what, you guys? You'll see how I use this product when I make the video. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys what I got. Let me unbox it for myself and like see what they sent me, okay? It's giving you a red eye. Say hi. That even knows the song. Oh my god, the sun is so bright. Thank god I'm wearing sunscreen. Hey you guys, I have a nail appointment. I want to get a pedicure. I think she wants to get her nails done as well. But we just got here. We're actually late. We're really late. If you say hi. I have my makeup bag with me. I'm going to try to do my makeup while there. doing my toes because I have to go meet up with my friend like right after. So I want to just like kill time by doing my makeup. That's how you know you're not fit, when you walk up the stairs and you start panting. Are you panting? Really? Let's see. And this place is so cute, you guys. Joey, do you want to say hi? Hi. Why you shy? What is this? You better say hi or I'll expose you now. This is my friend Joy. We were friends in Unical. I don't know why she's acting shy, but yeah, we're chilling. Yes, you want to? My drink is here. I got a lemonade and Joy got orange juice. Yeah, you guys see mason jars. I've been telling you guys about this shit. Don't even play with me, okay? Done having our drink. We only have one drink. But we're just dissing the whole time, catching up, you know. It's been a minute since I saw this one. Girl, I miss her too. Like, we haven't seen each other in 7 years. Like, I don't get it. Like, growing up is a scam. You know, growing up is a scam. Let me just tell you. Life does not get easier. Don't grow up. Don't grow up. Hey guys, so I've been editing this video. It's my clay wash video from last week, and I've been so lazy to edit it, but yeah, I've been up. I had a cup of tea, and this is my fish from the other night, you guys. I didn't finish it. I just warmed it up in the oven. It's like 10 o'clock now, but this is going to be my brekkie for today. So I just warmed it up and put it here. I'm about to eat while I like work on my video. So this is how far I've gotten. I covered the top in the contact paper and then the middle as well. I'm going to cover that bottom part, but like I'm running out of light right now. I actually did not enjoy working with this contact paper. It's the exact same one I have. Well, it's not the exact same one, but I ordered it from the same like brand. But I noticed that the quality of this is a lot different from that one, and I've had that for like over a year now, and it's still holding up really well. This one is just a little harder, and it got like a lot of bubbles. It's really smooth now though, because my sister used her little fondant technique to help me like get rid of the bubbles. But yeah, I think it looks really good. Love that little pop of white there. And if you guys cannot already tell, I spray painted the table black. I tried to go with black because I felt like it was just next to my cooker, and white is kind of like an awkward color to spray paint because it easily shows when you make like errors and stuff like that. If it doesn't look nice, I think I might just end up covering the legs in contact paper since I ordered the white one. But for now, I think it looks really good. I'm just going to go ahead and cover the bottom as well. So yeah, you guys, this is what the table is looking like. The top is really like smooth and nice. I think I did a good job. What do you guys think? Hey Hey guys, what's up? So today's Saturday and I'm about to head out. I need to go grocery shopping, guys, because like my house is empty. I don't have enough food, and you know my sister is here now, so we're just going to go together. We already made a list. I just made myself a smoothie because I was really hungry, and it's so good, you guys. Like, it's really good. I just wanted to quickly show you guys the table because I already put it in the kitchen. It's right there behind me, and I actually like how it turned out, so let me show you guys. So I finished with the table last night and I moved it to the kitchen. This is what it looks like right here, and you guys, I really like it. My clothes are done washing, just ignore that. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and I really like it, you guys. I feel like those little bits of white that are showing just really helps to tie everything together, and the table almost looks invisible right here because of the black. So I really like it. Like, it's really giving me countertop vibes, if you ask me. I don't know yet. I haven't done like the rest of it. My kitchen's a mess actually. I'm just trying to show you guys the only part that looks good right now. But yeah, this is what the little table looks like. Obviously I'm going to put like a bunch of stuff on top at the back there just so it looks even nicer. Probably like, I don't know, but like my spoons and maybe a plant, stuff like that, just so the top of the space looks really nice, and I'll still have a little space in front to work on. I also had to like elevate my cooker so that it can be on the same level as the table. Let me know what you guys think. Like, how do you guys think this turned out?
Closing video. So can I start?
Yes, you can start.
Hey guys, so this is the end of this vlog. Okay.
We just got home.
Okay. Hey guys, so we just got home from like shopping.
Yeah,
so
we need to arrange everything because it's a lot.
I think we're just going to end this vlog here so we can arrange and like sleep and
yes, and rest.
I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog and I hope you had a nice time.
Yeah, so what should they do? Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Leave me a comment down below.
Like if I'm your fave, by the way.
This is so awkward because my sister is here, but I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Okay, we're going to end it here now, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.